Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to completely uninstall BlueStacks from your PC in 2026. So if BlueStacks is causing problems, taking up too much space, or you just want a clean reinstall, yeah, this tutorial will help you remove everything properly. First, make sure BlueStacks is fully closed before uninstalling it. If it's still running in the background, the uninstall process may not work correctly. Next, open Windows Settings and go to the Apps section where all installed programs are listed. Now search for BlueStacks in the Installed Apps list. Once you find it, click the three-dot menu or right-click the app. To free up more space and remove cached data, clear temporary files from Windows using the temp folder or disk cleanup. Once everything is removed, restart your computer. Yeah, this helps clear remaining services or background files linked to BlueStacks. If you plan to reinstall BlueStacks later, download the newest version from the official website for the best compatibility and performance. And that's basically how to completely uninstall BlueStacks in 2026. Now your PC should be fully cleaned from BlueStacks files and ready for a fresh setup if needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.